The implementation procedure I thought was great. I mean, from the time that I started looking for a new database system for the office to the time that we actually went live was just over 4 months. And that's pretty quick, I think, when you're implementing a big software change like that. It was great. We had Greg come over and do the on-site development of it, which I thought was neat because what he actually did was adapted the way JustWare was going to look to the workflow in our office. It was pretty different to what we had been using. The old software database we used was a DOS-based system. I was fairly familiar with the interface. It was quite similar again to a system I used back in the UK, and that was what I partly based my selection criteria on when I was looking for a new system. So when Greg came over to do the initial implementation and design, and we spent the first day basically mapping out the workflow in our office, looking at the system that we had in place already and looking at what worked and what didn't work and what we were looking for out of JustWare. He went back to the hotel that evening and came in the next day, and he'd already pretty much shaped it to how it was going to look. And the final product that we have now really doesn't look an awful lot different to that. So we did an awful lot of work in 48 hours. And the actual implementation of the product, installation of the product, I should say, was done remotely. I was on vacation at the time, so it was a testament to my confidence in getting the product installed properly. We had gone through some major upgrades in the office, with hardware as well. We'd had a new server put in, everybody had new workstations, so it was great. New Dawn worked really closely with our tech company that we had in to do the hardware installation, set up remote installation, and like I say, they did it while I was on vacation, and when I came back it was up and running and they were in the trial phase.